Never let the things you want make you forget the things that you have. It is a common practice that people love looking for what is new or struggling for what they don't have. And it is also common that at times people forget about what they already have. Maybe job, maybe whatever thing. It's just like in football. There are players who left certain clubs in need of money. For example, Paul Pogba came to Manchester United for the money. But his career started fairly, but in the end, it collapsed. It collapsed so heavily. It became a serious challenge to him. And he lost almost his career. The examples of players who left for money are just very many. Memphis Depay came also to Manchester United. The Arsenal midfielder who went to Barcelona got his career crashed at Barcelona because he was looking at the money. That is belong song. So the examples are just very many. What you really have right now, you should also protect it. You should not look at something that is better than yours. Just like J. Cole said, there's nothing in life that is better than yours. You need to cherish what you have. Some people admire another person's home. Some people admire another person's husband or wife, whatever. But what you really have is very valuable. Unfortunately, you will only know that what you had was good when you have made it to go. Just like Gisu said, you never knew what you've got until it's gone. And just like the other song also says, you only hit the road when you're missing home. You only know you love her or him when you let her go. That song called When You Let Her Go. So, don't let what you want make you forget about what you really are. Bye-bye.